Hi everyone! Let's get to know colors while coloring animal pictures. This is a gorilla. Gorilla is a very big and strong animal, like a kind giant who lives in the dense forest. Let's color this gorilla black. Black. Color from the head, then the body. For the missed parts will be colored with a different color. Now choose the color gray. Light gray. Light gray. Facial parts too. Nostrils with a solid black color. Now color the background. From the grass, color it moss green. Then to the wide background, color it dark green to depict a vast forest. Color slowly and evenly. In the forest there are various kinds of plants, trees, and animals. Now for the climbing leaves, color them green. There are two vines on the right and left. For the other leaves, color them light green. Next, long leaf plants, color them yellow and orange. For one plant behind the gorilla, color it purple. butterfly. Color it red for the outer wings. Inside, color it orange. Butterfly body, colored reddish brown. Coloring is finished. Gorilla and butterfly in the forest. Gorilla and butterfly playing together.